Hi, I'm Donatella Arpaia, and I want to congratulate you on the purchase of your Philips air fryer and welcome you to the Philips family. Just consider me your personal Philips guide. I'm kind of like a telechef. I will help you get set up and ready to go. First, remove all packaging materials and wash all the parts clean with warm soapy water, or clean all your parts in your dishwasher. Then just wipe down the outside and the inside of your air fryer with a moist cloth. In the box, you'll also find an instruction manual and a leaflet. Now let's get started. First, open the drawer and remove the basket. Then push the clear guard forward and press the black button here to lift the basket. Now place your ingredients into the basket, but make sure they don't go over the max fill line. Then place the basket back into the drawer. Now slide the drawer back into the air fryer. Now all you have to do is press the start power button to switch on the appliance. On the touch screen, press the temperature arrows up or down until you reach the desired temperature. Do the same with the timer arrows until you reach the desired cooking time. Press and hold the timer to increase or decrease the time more quickly. Press the power button again to start the cooking process. Now press this button to select one of the preset programs. You have frozen fries, fresh fries, chicken, fish, baked goods, meat, or vegetables. Each program has a built-in suggested time and temperature specific to the type of food, but you can easily adjust them based on your needs. Some food requires shaking, like fries, halfway through. To do so, give the basket a shake. Just take out the basket and the air fryer will automatically pause and stop cooking. Shake the ingredients and put them back in. Once the basket is back in place, the air fryer will turn itself back on and continue cooking. When the time is up, the air fryer will ding. Give the food a check, and if the ingredients are not ready yet, simply slide the drawer back into the air fryer and add a few extra minutes. You can also change the time or temperature at any time during the cooking process by simply pressing the temperature or timer arrows. Now remember that the fat and oil from the ingredients is collected at the bottom of the pan. So depending on the type of ingredients cooked, you may want to carefully pour it out from the pan after each batch, or before shaking or replacing the basket in the pan. Doing this will also help reduce smoke. Do not be afraid of the smoke. There is nothing wrong with the air fryer. It just means a lot of fat is being removed from your food. Your air fryer isn't just for French fries, so be sure to consult the food table in the included manual for a full list of ingredients with recommended quantities, cooking times, and temperatures. Now, to unlock hundreds more delicious recipes, download the free Philips Kitchen Plus app by scanning the QR code on the included leaflet, or right now using the QR code on this screen. Once downloaded, select which model air fryer you have and let the app tailor itself to your personal preferences. You are really going to love this air fryer. Some of my favorite foods to cook are sweet potato fries, fried chicken, and of course, my famous meatballs. And now I get to cook them with a lot less oil and fat, but still retain that golden crust. The best part is that all the removable parts are dishwasher safe, so no messy cleanup. What more can you ask for? Now please make sure to register your air fryer by texting a photo of this camera icon so you can receive an extended warranty, new recipes, and special discounts, including one for up to 40% off any accessory. What will you make with your Philips air fryer? Show us on social media by tagging Philips Air Fryer. I cannot wait to see what you're gonna post, so get into the kitchen, cook with seasonal fresh ingredients, and welcome to the Philips family.
You can see the writing on the pavement. Young kids, they're growing up in basements. Online, a whole new generation. I'ma make mine, so you better go take it. Always, they need a new replacement. Decentralized, can't contain it. We're changing lives, yeah, upgrading. Call it suicide of the old.
at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough.